Did you know a Persian king once chained together 676 ships to build the world's first floating bridge? In 513 BCE, King Darius I created this incredible engineering marvel across the Bosphorus Strait. 700,000 Persian soldiers marched across this pontoon bridge to invade Europe. But the Scythians had other plans. Using hit-and-run tactics, they destroyed Darius's massive army piece by piece. The mighty Persian king was forced to flee back across his own bridge in humiliating defeat, ending his European dreams forever.